Is your computer sluggish and slow? Ready for lightning-fast boot times? The Huadisk NVMe M2 SSD transforms your system from slow to blazingly fast. Available from 128GB to 1TB, choose the perfect size. The PCIe Gen 3 interface delivers speeds leaving traditional drives behind, boot times under 10 seconds and programs launching instantly. Whether gamer tired of loading screens, professional who can't waste time, or someone valuing efficiency, this upgrade makes computing faster and more enjoyable. Installation is straightforward for most modern systems, and compact form fits ultra-thin laptops. Advanced NVMe protocol ensures peak efficiency, while solid-state design means no moving parts, more reliable than mechanical drives. Files, photos, and games load instantly. Multitasking becomes smooth. System updates, done in minutes. This isn't just storage upgrade, it's complete performance transformation breathing new life into your computer. Stop waiting and start using. Find the purchase link in the description and comments below.